I just realized that many Oculus Quest 2 owners are wondering how to change the controller batteries. So in this quick video, I'll show you what to do when the batteries are dead. At first, some people think the controllers are rechargeable, but that's not true. And others are just having trouble removing the battery cover. But I'm here to show you what to do. If you look at the side of the controller, towards the top there's an arrow showing which direction it slides off. People are definitely having trouble with this, but you'll need both thumbs pressing on the cover. At the same time, push the cover towards the bottom of the handle. This is the difficult part because it's so tight. But once it's off, the battery pops out very easily. When inserting the new battery, pay attention to the polarity and then slip the negative side in first and then press down on the spring to pop it in. And now just slide the cover back on. But let me show you this one more time. I'm actually using more pressure with my left thumb as I push. And it really helps to have clean, non-greasy fingers. It takes quite a bit of grip, but the cover will slide off. So definitely wash your hands with soap first so they're good and grippy. That's really the best advice I can give you. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.